I hope everyone had a great day out in the market. If you're new to the channel, this is Trade by Numbers, and my name's Josiah, and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. Now, if you hate making money, this is not the channel for you. If you like making money, if you like learning about stocks, crypto, and investing, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and do me a favor, hit that like button for me. That's what gets these videos out to the most people, and that's what this is all about, is helping as many people be able to achieve financial freedom as possible. So we had a pretty good day in the market overall. We ended up down for the day, but we were better off, and we made pretty good for the week. We'll go over that at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around for that. Let's get into it. So we had the S&P down a whopping 1.18%, which is actually leading the way for the day. We got the Dow down 0.85%, and we have the NASDAQ down 0.97% for the day. So considerably better than yesterday, but still a pretty good drop. Now, I had said on Wednesday that if we were down for the rest of the week, I wasn't going to concern myself too much. I'm more interested in seeing how we start out next week. A lot of people out there already saying that the rally is over and that we're going down. I've been anticipating that we're going to see more of a rally up. Not looking promising for me. So far, I said that we could be in the red, but we are further in the red than I was expecting. So definitely, like I said this morning, I'm taking it slow, watching myself, because if we are moving down, I want to have the ability to be able to move into that and be ready. Don't want to overextend myself and then get caught as we drop. Let's talk about the week just a little bit. We had a pretty good week. We had several stocks that did very well for us, several 10% plays, a couple of 5% plays and better. So we did very well for the week overall. I'm not going to leave you in too much suspense. I know a lot of people want to see what we did for the week, that just kind of in and out. We ended up, even with the week closing off as poorly as it did, and the fact that we really didn't do much over the last couple of days other than sit and wait, we managed to knock out 22.2% ROI on our investments for the week. Super happy about that. Those are really good numbers considering how much the market has dropped this week alone. So really happy with that. The other big news is going to be crypto. Crypto absolutely getting slaughtered today. Bitcoin falling all the way back down under 17,000. A lot of people already been asking me today, does that mean that crypto's crashing? No. In my opinion, no anyway. Now, I've been looking for this pullback. I've been looking for Bitcoin to get back down in the 16,000. And that's kind of the range I'm looking at right now. Maybe between 16 and 20,000. I really look for us to bounce between that. Maybe we get a little bit of a run up, break 20,000. Maybe we get a little bit of a crash down, drop back into the 15s. Could we still see lower lows than where we've already been at? I don't have a crystal ball. I think that we've kind of put in our lows for the crypto winter already. With that being said, if the stock market was to just crash, I don't see crypto rallying with the stock market crashing. We could see kind of us run a range and then drop a little bit, run a little bit lower range, drop a bit. But I really don't expect to see, I know a lot of people's called for a $10,000 Bitcoin or a $12,000 Bitcoin. And even though I do believe a $12,000 Bitcoin was possible, at this point I don't know if that's likely. With that being said, definitely, if you're out there dollar cost averaging, that is the best thing. I would not be out there lump sum buying, but if you're out there dollar cost averaging into crypto, or the stock market for that matter, you're going to do very well in the long term. With the stock market, even if I'm right and we get through this rally, we're going to have a bit of a downturn. I think there's going to be some excuse me, I shoot these straight through. I think there's going to be some fantastic buying opportunities in the stock market over the next couple of months. And in crypto, we're already down here at fantastic prices. If you're dollar cost averaging through from the last month or so, or even the last couple of months through the next 3 or 4 months, and you're able to hold on to that until we hit the peak of the next bull market, there's going to be just absolutely massive amounts of wealth made from people that are buying now and holding it to that time frame. Some of these coins are going to 10x or even more than that, and you're going to be sitting on a fortune if you put very much in it at all. And so that's the power of crypto. That's one of the things I love about crypto. I know there's a lot of people out there still spreading FUD, still talking about, crypto's just a rug pull, the greater fool theory. And, those people are going to have to eat their words at some point in time. I mean, people's been saying this about crypto since Bitcoin come out 12 years ago, and yet every year it gets bigger, it gets bigger, it gets bigger. And at some point in time, blockchain technology is going to be something that each and every one of us use on a daily basis. It's going to be what powers our lives, much in the same way as the internet is currently for us. So I truly believe that about blockchain technology. Can't talk today. And I believe that that's going to be the future, and that's why I'm so comfortable with some of these cryptos. Now, that doesn't mean every crypto out there. I don't want anyone going out there and just buying into these coins, these off-the-wall things, just because they're hoping that it shoots up 1,000,000%. If you like to gamble, if you like to play the lottery, and you've got the money to lose, that's fine. But realize that it doesn't mean that all of crypto is a rug pull because you've got a crooked company, because you're out there gambling with it. Make sure if you're investing in solid companies. And please, if you're out there investing into crypto, get yourself a cold storage wallet. That way, if something happens, like with Voyager, Celsius, FTX, and there's a crash, you don't lose everything you got. I don't want to see anyone losing their life savings or whatever they've put in there. Maybe it's just a small amount. I don't want to see you losing anything. Spend a couple of $100. Get yourself a good Ledger wallet. I keep a link in all my videos to Ledger. Go on there, get yourself a Ledger wallet. Helps support the channel and keeps you protected, and that's the important thing. All the links that I keep below my videos is all about doing the very best I can for you. No one pays me to say this, using my link gets me a little bit of a affiliate thing, but it's all about making sure that you have the ability to learn, to have a good platform, to have the ability to protect yourself, and that's what I'm always going to bring to you. I'm never going to tell you something that I don't use myself. I'm going to cut it off right there. Catch me tomorrow. Until next time, be blessed.